coming here to share with you guys my Sunday stock watch. First, I want to take a look at our economic calendar for this week, anything we have important going on. So, Monday, not too much, and I wouldn't worry about this. It's going to be later in the day. Same with Tuesday. And then Wednesday, okay, so CPI, obviously very important. Definitely going to be having to watch for that. That is going to be coming out an hour before market opens. And then Thursday, initial jobless claims, very important. And then PPI, again, very important. This is all coming out an hour before pre-market as well. And then import price index, very important. And consumer sentiment, very important. So just a few things you need to watch for this week. Monday, Tuesday will be pretty breezy. No big data, and then we're going to get hit pretty hard Wednesday pre-market. So for as my suggestion, I would say don't be holding anything going into Wednesday. We don't know what's going to come out of that. Just my own suggestion. You guys don't have to listen to me. But anyways, so obviously we got I don't think overnight trading is open yet. I mean, Robinhood shows that. Not the chart only shows pre-market, which is not going to be open until like 1 a.m. my time. Yeah, we should be open. Let's see. After hour, no, we're not open. Anyways, I think it's going to be like an hour till we're open. Maybe it's at 5. I don't exactly know. I don't usually check overnight. For those of you who are in the Discord, I do my analysis pre-market in the morning. Update everyone with levels and whatnot, but besides that stuff, so let's get to it. Q's obviously very bad week last week for mainly everything. We had quite the heavy downtrend, and SPY really got hit pretty hard. Kind of saw the double top coming in there. I don't use that type of I don't use those type of to call it, like, it's not exactly technical analysis, but I don't use that type of pattern watching. Just saying, kind of saw a double top here. Not, again, I wouldn't count that in my strategy or say we're seeing an ascending triangle. Whatever, you guys know what I'm saying. But yeah, we did kind of see this double top, which I did warn about that. I said we are reaching those previous highs. If we do reach those, we're most likely going to reject them because the market is not in a bullish state right now. Not saying we're bearish, but the market currently in this moment is pretty weak. You know, we get any bad news, we're heading down. People are fearful. We're weak. We're not greedy like we were a few months ago, or 2 months ago, I guess you could say, 2-3 months ago, June, July, first half of the year as well. Anyways, getting off track there. So yeah, we kind of saw that double top coming in. So the level we're at right now is pretty important. 438, 538, 540 on SPY. Definitely be watching for that. We could obviously get a bounce. We are not really getting any news tomorrow or Tuesday that is of much importance. People are not going to be watching for that like they're going to be watching for CPI or PPI data or initial jobless claims. You get what I'm saying. So either what I'm looking for is Monday, Tuesday, we get some sort of small bounce, and then depending on news, we may continue that, or we may go to a point and reject it. We'll see. So that's exactly kind of what I'm looking for Monday, Tuesday overall. Seeing potentially some sort of bounce, but again, we're pretty fearful in this market, especially with tech. A lot of people are dumping tech right now, which is what I mainly look at and what I mainly trade. Same with Qs. This 450, 445 area is a pretty tight area. We could definitely see down to 440 if we don't hold here, or around 435. Same with SPY. We could definitely see down to 530 this week if, we don't hold this up, if the bulls don't come back. Tesla's not doing well, and I'm not sure if this is going to affect anything, but I did see a certain report come out about a Cybertruck that had crashed and literally blew up in flames and incinerated the person that was in it, reaching up to degrees of 5,000. Something absolutely insane, and they are taking that into investigation because something collided with the lithium battery inside and made a massive explosion and basically like a human oven. Very sad, very terrible. I'm not sure if this news will affect Tesla. I would definitely keep that in mind. Because Tesla actually was not following trend most of last week until Friday when we got some bigger downtrend. So yeah, Tesla's been holding up pretty well, holding up this 210 area quite well. Not really going back below 200 for about a few weeks, 2 weeks now. I can't count days, so you know. Just kidding. Yeah, so I would definitely be watching if that type of news can affect Tesla. I'd be watching to see 205. I mean, if it doesn't, and again we see some bulls come in beginning of this week, we could definitely see back up to 220, 225. You guys know Tesla has a huge range, mainly, as we did see over 230 this past week. Nvidia will be really rough if we see below 100 this week. I generally, you guys know this month's seasonality, not great. Generally pretty bearish for this month. So I would definitely keep watching out for that. Nvidia, we could see definitely go lower. If we do go below 100, you could honestly expect to see around 90. But again, if bulls hold up this area, we could see back to 210, 213, 113, 110. Numbers. You guys know what I mean, obviously. But yeah, again, that's only if the bulls can come in this week and kind of hold up their territory, and if not, could definitely see some more blood. SMCI is right where I like it. It's a terrible company, no reason that it should be valued anywhere above even $200 a share. So they may reverse that stock split, seeing how we're performing, but we'll see. As some of you guys know, Palantir got added to the S&P 500, so probably going to see a nice rally on this come Monday. Besides that, definitely watching for coin. It's doing pretty terribly, and again, seasonality is the same for kind of Bitcoin in that whole area. So just want to quickly take a look at Bitcoin. Yeah, we're sitting at around 54. Okay, wait, overnight market just opened, so I'm gonna check out Qs. We're looking bullish. It's been open for a minute, but Qs is up to 448 currently. So again, no news. That's most likely what is going to happen the beginning of this week, and then the rest will depend on news that comes out Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah. Coin, gonna definitely be watching this one, see if Bitcoin gets any movement. If you got this one down, really great job. I mean, it really sank. AMD, kind of same as Nvidia, pretty much follows Nvidia. If we don't see it hold up 130, could be pretty bad. We could definitely see, I don't know what these lines are, actually. Ignore these lines, I don't really know. I guess they're shitty support and resistance lines, very shitty ones. Ignore. Yeah, same with AMD. We don't see bulls holding up this area. Could see back down, could be pretty bloody. Yeah, I mean, that's kind of what I'm watching for going into this next week. Microsoft, not really looking at Microsoft. Meta's always a good one to be looking at. This could be a good play if we do get some bullishness, because Meta also has a pretty large range. Could see back up to 520 even. So yeah, definitely be watching for that. Is a little bit more concerning that we did break below this 500 area. Is more of my main concern, but besides that, everything else is looking pretty nice for this coming week. So yeah, I mean, if Meta, one more thing, if Meta doesn't hold up this 500 area, again, we could probably see to 490, 45. Again, will we be bullish tomorrow? I don't know yet. That'll depend on pre-market. So yeah, generally just watch out for news Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Monday, Tuesday, free for all. You know, pretty, I'm not going to say it's easy, but easier than getting news. So I think that's all I kind of have for you guys. I'm going to make this public so everyone can see it and post the link to this on my Instagram as well. So yeah, thank you guys for listening to me. I'll see everyone in the Discord tomorrow, hopefully in the live call. But yeah, thanks.